The Secret of the Whispering Woods. In the small village of Everwood, the Whispering Woods were known for their eerie silence and mysterious whispers that only the bravest dared to explore. Legend had it that the woods held a hidden secret, guarded by the spirits of the forest. One afternoon, a curious artist named Thomas decided to venture into the Whispering Woods, seeking inspiration for his next masterpiece. As he wandered deeper into the forest, the whispers grew louder, guiding him to an ancient, moss-covered stone with strange carvings. Intrigued, Thomas carefully traced the carvings with his fingers, uncovering a hidden compartment in the stone. Inside, he found an old, weathered map and a note that read, "To those who seek the truth, follow the map to the heart of the forest." Following the map, Thomas discovered a hidden grove bathed in golden light. In the center of the grove stood a magnificent tree with shimmering leaves that whispered secrets of the past. As Thomas listened, the whispers revealed the history of Everwood and the ancient guardians who protected the village. Inspired by what he had heard, Thomas returned to the village and painted a breathtaking mural depicting the history and magic of the Whispering Woods. His artwork captivated the villagers, rekindling their connection to the forest and its secrets. Thomas's discovery not only brought him inspiration, but also united the village, reminding everyone of the importance of preserving their heritage and the wonders that lie within the unknown. Life lesson: curiosity and creativity can uncover hidden truths and bring people together. English lesson: vocabulary: eerie, legend, inspired, masterpiece, carvings, compartment, grove, shimmering, guardians, rekindling. Idioms: venture into, hidden secret, trace the carvings, bathed in light, rekindling their connection.